All right, so here's the other piece of the neck. This is this carbon fiber material, carbon fiber PLA, and it looks amazing. I love this matte finish. This is on the 0.3 millimeter layer height, although I did use the Prusa adaptive layers to make this part of it smoother. As you can see, we have these corner pieces, and they'll just rip off and clean them off with a razor knife, or I like to use the deburring tools. Best thing for it. And you do have to go in and clean out those the reinforcement rails there. Yeah, you see them there, just so that they're clean holes through there. But that's just 2 millimeters thick. No big deal. Going to be another short piece in here that we will print. But right now, that's the neck, and this the Wave model has this kind of cool offset neck as we go forward. Okay, the last of the neck pieces. This is the upper neck. It's going to fit in to the dovetails. A little bit of super glue, a little bit of sanding, a little bit of cleaning it up, and it will be a very fine neck.